Hello everyone. Saturday, March 19th, 2022. And along with a case, which is just an OtterBox, and you can see how nice and small it is. Let's see what's in here. That's gonna do a lot. This is directly from AT&T. An iPhone SE. What else is in here? Oh, okay. AT&T stuff for me. So, this is a, let's see, Midnight 256. So, I'm just gonna open it up here with the little tabs. Cool. Don't mind the cat. I don't know what he wants. I know there's a top tab, but I'll just leave it for now. And there it is. What else do we got? A cable that I won't use because it's USB-C. Even though I have USB-C power adapters. SIM tool. And a bunch of other crap. Put this back in there. Actually leave this open. And here's the phone. So you can see all, it has a fingerprint sensor, volume up, volume down, ringer, power button, and a little lightning bolt to signify charging. There it is. Wow. Let's boot it up. There you go. Move the box out of the way while I'm letting that boot up. Shouldn't take long. There you go. No service, but that's because my phone has service right now. It's nice feeling a home button. English. United States. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. I'm going to set up manually. So let me choose a Wi-Fi network, which is this one. Okay. Did this with my 8 too. I completely manually activated it just because. Try using Wi-Fi. That's what I did. Yeah, it is pretty grippy. I'm just able to hold it like that. There we go. Data and privacy. You won't see this information every time. Yeah, that's fine. So now I'm going to set up Touch ID, which on my 8, I did fine. I said I was good at it, and I wasn't. So let's try it. Continue. It feels great having a home button again because my 8 Plus, the home button is shattered, which is my own fault. No one else's but my own. There you go. Create a passcode. Actually, I'm going to continue, create a passcode. Same passcode as my old one. Can I just, like, don't transfer apps and data, I guess? Those are all the options. I'm going to don't transfer. Apple ID. Let me put my Apple ID in. Okay. And then my passcode. Okay, Apple ID verification. Yep, they're all going off. Alright, I'm going to use my iPad because I feel like it. Yes. There's the code. That should be it. Oh, terms and conditions. I don't, cool. Cool, good. See what it does now. Let me take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Oh, keep up to date. Cool. Yes, enable location services. Apple Pay. I don't want to do that right now. I don't want to mess with Siri right now. That can be later. I'll set up screen time though. And analytics, sure. App analytics, sure. Leave it in light. Leave it in standard. Welcome to iPhone. Boom. Whoa. Oh, slide to type. Yeah, I use this on occasion. You are currently sharing your location with Harry's iPhone 8 Plus. Not now, because my 8 Plus is still my main phone until this one is activated. There you go. Nice setup. iPhone SE 3rd Gen. It's much smaller than the 8 Plus I have right now, but I think that'll be great because, you know, it's nice and mini. So that's it. Thank you all for watching, and till next time. Bye.